Hey guys, and welcome to another video. I am here in Jamwest in Little London, a little off Negril, and we're going to have like a team event today, so I'll try to record for you all the different activities. I have a whole set of thing here in Jamwest. Well, Jamwest is known for the racing, but there's always also a tourist attraction, and this is the rock wall. Yeah. We'll try to climb the rock wall. We're going to do different things from ATV, pushcart and zipline and whatnot, and I'll try to take you guys along. So we're checking out the different things. We have ATV, bird aviary, zipline. I'm going to do the zipline, jam culture tour, pushcart. I'm going to do this, horseback riding, rock climbing. I'll attempt the rock climbing. There's a petting zoo, a mineral bath. I won't be able to do that today. And of course, here is known for the racing. So you could do one where they come and they let you drive and whatnot. We're not doing that today. But a few of these I'm doing. So check it out. You're going to be walking through here and you'll pass and look at that koi pond. Look at this side. There's a black one there. I don't know if you see it. If you see the size of this thing. Alright, so we're going on the pushcart tour. And we're just in the truck and waiting for others to arrive. Ow, ow. Helmet up. These guys are pushing up the carts, as you can see. And that's the truck in front. Yeah. Alright, so we're ready to go. It has some sections you feel like go come off the car. Alright, so we're here on the rest stop. The guys are cutting up some stuff for us, cane and coconut. It's really nice. It's just that there are some corners where you feel like the car is going to come off, but it's hooked on properly to the truck. It's a lot of fun.
That's cold, man. Don't go there, man.
So I'm here, ready to go. Alright, so we're on the truck headed back. Right, so we're going on the other one, the go-kart. 10 laps on the go-kart. We'll check this one out. That's the truck. Just finished the go-kart. That was excellent. We do a few laps. I was skidding around the corners, but that was good. That was good. I enjoyed that one. So waiting on the next one. Alright, so we're back with the larger group. And we're going to do zipline and other things. So let's see which one we go to. This is the zipline, guys. So we're pretty excited. I haven't done zipline in a while, so it's going to be good. So I'm all harnessed up, as you can see. Ready to go. Alright, the tower. Heading up. So high, check it out. One more to the top. That's the ocean. This is the top. Get ready.
Run.
Alright, so that was interesting. Going up to the other one.
Run.
Yeah.
One, two, three, run.
Zoom in of him.
Go.
Oh, shots, you're winning! Go. Yeah.
Run.
Let me go!
Fire!
Good. Yeah, Ziplining. Line 6 of 8.
Fire!
A peace fire. If you hear me scream, it's not a girl thing. You know what I mean? What does I say? I love girl thing.
Fire!
Fire. Yeah, we not here, you know. Yes. It's not too bad. Yeah, man. How we do? Come on, panic. Yeah. I hate that. Fire. Up. You're good, man. Safe landing. Already done. So you're safe to right here from the beginning.
And all those other things, and now I'm heading to the Aviary. I'm really excited about this, see the animals. So let's go.
These partner died, the other one will just remain single till he or she dies. So. Like this is a species, you know.
Okay.
So you have albino. In most things you have albino.
Yeah.
Yours are more.
Damn.
They eat like fruits. This is Nemo, that's Priest.
Nemo and Priest.
Yeah, two horse sky.
These are the geese. African geese.
Yeah, and the two ducks with the red on their faces.
Yeah.
Eat the same thing basically. Fruits and
Yeah. Right, so we're in the Aviary. Got a nice little tour. Look at the colors of this scarlet macaw. Right, so we just went to the Aviary. It was a short tour because it was me alone. I had really nice. There's some nice birds and stuff. So I hope I got some video there and you guys can see it and enjoy it. Now in Negril on the west end, and we're going to the Negril pushcart at the Pirate Cave restaurant. Let me cross.
So these take one. Alrighty, we're taking in the view.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We are in Pushcart restaurant, and it's right on the water. Check that out. You know, this is the reminder, you know, you're on the island and you're living life and thing, but look how beautiful this place is now, man. Look at that. Ah, really, really cool. To have dinner and then we'll be headed back. Just saw a nice sunset, so we're going to just wrap it up there, guys. Thanks so much for watching. It was a really fun day and I hope you guys enjoyed all the activities and whatnot that I showed you. Anyway, remember to like, remember to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.